विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, याच्या अगोदरच्या पिरियडमध्ये आपण हाऊ बॅलन्सिंग द केमिकल इक्वेशन, which steps are necessary for balancing the chemical equation. Now we'll discuss about the types of the chemical reaction. The types of the chemical reaction depends upon the nature and number of reactants and products. The types of the chemical reaction depends upon the nature and number of reactants and products. म्हणजे केमिकल रिॲक्शनचे जे काही टाईप आहेत ते त्याचं नेचर आणि नंबर ऑफ रिॲक्टंट्स अँड प्रॉडक्ट किती आहे याच्यावर अवलंबून आहे. द फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस अबाउट देर आर जनरली 4 टाइप्स ऑफ द केमिकल रिॲक्शन. फर्स्ट इज द कॉम्बिनेशन रिॲक्शन. कॉम्बिनेशन रिॲक्शन. Second is the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Third is the displacement reaction. And fourth is the double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. सुरुवातीला आपण या रिॲक्शनची थीम पाहूया की नेमकं कॉम्बिनेशन रिॲक्शन कोणाला म्हणायचं, देन डिकम्पोजिशन रिॲक्शन कोणाला म्हणायचं, डिस्प्लेसमेंट कोणाला म्हणायचं आणि डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिॲक्शन कोणत्या रिॲक्शनला म्हणायचं हे पाहूया. फर्स्ट वी टेक द सपोज इफ वी टेक द A and B are any two reactants. If A and B are combined together, there is the formation of the single product. That type of the chemical reaction is known as the combination reaction. When two or more reactants combine together, there is the formation of a only single product. That type of the reaction is known as the combination reaction. In this reaction, the reactant A and B are combined together and there is the formation of the new product AB with a new bond. That type of the reaction is known as the combination reaction. आपण एक्झाम्पल पाहणार आहोत त्याची. Then second is the decomposition reaction. What do you mean by decomposition reaction? When a splitting of single substance is converted into the 2 or more products, that type of the reaction is known as the decomposition reaction. Suppose AB is the any reactant and if we provide the heat to that reactant AB, there is the formation of the A and B products. Splitting of a single substance is converted into the 2 new substances. There is, due to the heating, there is a breaking bond between the A and B and new product is formed. There are 2 products are formed. That type of the chemical reaction is known as the decomposition reaction. Displacement reaction means what? Suppose AB is the any substance and C is the another element, and there is the formation of where if we consider A is the metallic ion, B is the non-metallic ion and C is the reactive metal than the A. A हा metallic ion आहे, B हा non-metallic ion आहे आणि C हा metal आहे. But where this C metal is more reactive than the A. म्हणजे या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये A आणि C हे दोन्ही मेटल आहेत, पण वेअर C is more reactive as compared to the A. That means there is the formation of this C replace the A from its compound and there is the formation of Cb plus A. That means a chemical reaction in which the reactive element displace the less reactive element from its compound, किंवा a chemical reaction in which the more reactive element किंवा more reactive metal displace the less reactive metal from its compound. AB मध्ये AB हा मेटल आहे पण हा लेस रिॲक्टिव्ह मेटल आहे, म्हणजे AB हा लेस रिॲक्टिव्ह मेटलचा कंपाऊंड आहे. AB मध्ये A हा लेस रिॲक्टिव्ह मेटल आहे ॲज कम्पेअर टू द C, म्हणून C काय करतो, हा Aला त्याच्या कंपाऊंडपासून डिस्प्लेस करतो and there is the formation of the Cb plus A. That a chemical reaction in which the reactive metal or reactive element displace the less reactive metal or less reactive element from its compound, that type of the reaction is known as the displacement reaction. Then double displacement reaction. What do you mean by double displacement reaction? When two or more substances combine together, there is the formation of the two or more products. That means suppose AB is the any substance, CD is the another. That means this is the ionic compound. This is also ionic compound. That means ionic compounds contains A is metallic ion, B is non-metallic ion. C is metallic ion, D is non-metallic ion. A chemical reaction in which there is the exchange of the ions and precipitate is formed, that type of the chemical reaction is known as the double displacement. That means where A and C are replaced to each other. That means there is the formation of Cb plus Ad and any substance formed in the form of a precipitate. That type of the chemical reaction is known as the double displacement. There is the exchange of the ions and precipitate is formed in the product. Exchange of the ions in the reactants and precipitate is formed in the product. That type of the chemical reaction is known as the double displacement reaction.